This is Lily from ScanSkinAI. Thanks for getting in touch. If you're already using ScanSkinAI, you can now turn it into your chronic skin condition tracker. You can track one or more chronic skin conditions over time. See if things are improving, stable, or getting worse. Export a skin condition. Progress report for your doctor. How to use chronic condition management. First, do a normal scan. Open ScanSkinAI, take a clear photo, let the app analyze it. Second, tap the ring icon, top right. Notifications. Chronic tab. Third, tap Add to create a chronic condition from Scan or New. Then tap Add Condition. Finally, open History to link more scans and see the AI trend, and tap Report to generate your progress report. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us.